Hey guys, I'm here and I'm going to be going over the analogy worksheet that I assigned for this week. I realize that analogies is kind of something new to some of you and we haven't went over them a lot this year. So I wanted to make sure that you understand what they are and how to do them. So I'm going to kind of go through this worksheet with you. So first off, I want to tell you guys, an analogy is when you have a comparison between two different things and it's highlighting the similarity in something. So I kind of relate this to synonyms because synonyms are words that are similar, right, in meaning. So that's why I kind of related this on the Zoom meeting the other day to synonyms, because you're finding some kind of similarity between two things. Okay, so let's look at number one. I have it up here on the board. It says pavilion is to dungeon as usual is to extraordinary. So a pavilion is kind of like a covered place. So another vocabulary word that would mean something similar to that would be dungeon. Okay, and then the word usual just means normal. So what would kind of be something that you could compare to that out of those words, and something that's not usual is extraordinary. So that would kind of just be like an antonym to it. But still in that same family of similarities, okay? Number two, dominion is to power, as unicorn is to fawn, all right? So you're finding some kind of similarities between the words they give you that are given and then your choices. Number three, a quarter is to a blank, as mean is to blank. So for number three, it would be servant, because that's someone who helps you, right? A quarter or servant is someone who helps you. And another word for spiteful is mean. So that's why it would be spiteful. Number four, advantage is to benefit, as argue is to, and another word for argue is dispute. So that's where if you see they're getting sometimes it's a word that means the opposite of it, but most of the time it's going to be a word that means something similar to it. All right, and then we have number five. Campaign is to assault, as forfeit is to renounced. Number six, divided is to cloven, as consorts are to alliance. And then number seven, valiant is to adventure, as museum is to collection. And so that one's kind of like what the meaning of the word actually means for number seven. Number eight, concealed is to glimpse, as previous is to prophecy. Number seven, rivalry is to merrymaking, as ambassador is to principal. And number 10, case, something that means the same thing as a sheath. So case is to sheath, as spires are to turret. Number 11, carefully is to cautiously, as limber is to leaf. Number 12, bottle is to flask, as earth is to geography. Number 13, doorway is to threshold, as stratagem is to arrangement. 14, greed is to gluttony, as sensible is to logic. And 15, pest is to vermin, as idiot is to nonsense. Okay, so hopefully going over these analogies kind of let you see how the words had similarities in them and how they were comparing to one another. So I hope this video helps you guys understand analogies a little better. I guess I'll see you guys later, and y'all have a good week. Bye.